So this is about cutting a pineapple, the unprofessional way. So you cut the bottom of it, you cut the top of it, and you can take the pineapples away. Then you cut the sides as narrow as you can. By the way, do you know how to know that a pineapple is ripe? Because pineapples don't ripen outside when they're cut. So basically the only thing what you do is that pineapples will start to ferment, which is probably not what you want. So, but here cutting the eyes out of the pineapple, and I'm sure that there are many people outside who say that's a waste and you can do it much, much better. But that's the way how I can do it. So you at least see how you cut a tropical pineapple. So we have this pineapple stuff. I now cut pieces which I use for my morning muesli. I also use the inner core because the inner core is basically where a lot of the bromelain is in, which is very good for your respiratory system. It breaks down protein. So if you had a lot of meat and you eat some pineapple with it, it normally helps you very, very good to digest it. And it also helps that you get basically the mucus out from your system. So that's the pineapple thing. And now we have some ginormous papaya. Somebody already started to cut it a bit, but we have to put that one away. So, but we see it's very, very ripe, which is good. And I think we should cut it in two pieces because it might be a bit too big. You see inside there are kernels, but you will see more when I cut the pineapple through, the papaya through. See, you can cut it like this and then it opens and you see the seeds and everything out there. The seeds you normally can take a spoon and then you take a plastic bag so you have some leeway, and you then basically just scrape the inside of the pineapple till the white stuff has gone out and the kernels have gone out. The kernels are quite bitter. So if you eat them, it might be bitter, but it is something also which in Asian countries helps very good about if you have a digestion problem, like a diarrhea or something. Then you just can chew some of these papaya kernels, which will stop your diarrhea and in a way disinfect your guts a little bit, which is not the worst thing. Good. So I think we might keep the other part of the papaya because that looks like nice. We take a little bit of wrap around it. You can use a normal cling wrap film. that adheres quite good to the skin of the papaya. And you then can put it just in the refrigerator and eat it the next time. Well, that would be a possibility. For the rest of the papaya, the thing which works best for me is cutting it into stripes like this, because we don't want to have the outer skin. Basically, we only are interested in the flesh. The outer skin is also quite valuable because it produces an enzyme which is called papain. And then we take a smaller knife and we basically can just cut the flesh from the skin, and you can keep it like this in the refrigerator for a few days or till you eat it, or you can eat it directly, whatever you please. And papaya is a very nutritious fruit. It has a lot of minerals and vitamins and things which are good for your health. So if you start your morning with basically cut papaya, a bit of cut pineapple, maybe a mango with it, then you might be quite happy for digestion for the day and also feel refreshed from all the vitamins inside. You see, it's not too difficult. You just cut it near basically the skin, and is it quite soft? So it will go. If you refrigerate it, it gets a little bit more mushy, which doesn't matter if you use it, for example, in your muesli or somewhere. But as fresher as it is out of the skin, normally as better it tastes. But try it out for yourself and you will see how it works. You can leave me comments and other things below, so you see basically what's happening and have maybe good ideas, what I did wrong, what I could do better. I'm happy to receive your suggestions. So, fresh papaya for today. And now I have to clean up and see you in one of the next videos.
Thank you for watching for my videos. And if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.